Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation on this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now you need to look for lock orientation icon and click on it. As you can see, now it's gray. That means that auto rotation is on. If you wish to turn it off, you need to click on the same icon. You can also though go into settings, scroll down, choose display, then scroll all the way down and click on the switcher next to auto rotate screen. In this case, if the switcher is blue, that means that auto rotation is on. If you wish to turn it off, just tap on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!